Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to delete phone number on Snapchat. For you to get started, you have to tap on this Bitmoji at the top corner of your screen. Then you tap on the gear button. Then you scroll down. Then you see the part called mobile number. Then you tap. Then the only way for you to delete your mobile number of Snapchat is by clearing off your old phone number. Then you replace it with a particular new number. So I'm gonna type, let's say 081. I'm just gonna put random number. Then with this number, I'm gonna tap on verify. Then Snapchat is gonna send you a new confirmation code. With this confirmation code, you'll be able to change your number from the old one to a new one. Thank you. Like and follow for more.